Nicholas News Network. As you might notice, we have a new sign, and it's greatly improving our studio. But on the other note, today we have a very special guest. He is the CEO of Topico, and his name is Max Magnus. Welcome. So, today we are going to talk about the exploding toys that are all over America and have been reported to be causing extreme harm to people. Do you have anything to say about this? Anything at all?
It was Trevor.
Well then, there you have it. CEO of Topico. Back to you, Jimmy.
Today on Nicholas News Network, I have one of the many toys out there, and, well, this toy actually doesn't seem that lethal. I mean, besides the one sound that it has, it goes like beep, 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 beep. It's so weird. It sounds weird. Beep, beep.